Get your guys' cages now. I'm sick of this shit. This is ridiculous. Cookie, get in the cage now. I was just about to take you guys outside, but I'm not. That's just bullshit. I'm so sick of these damn dogs, man.
Teddy bear, find your nose. Boink. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, touch your knees.
Okay. Time to vacuum. Okay, vacuum everything.
With a strawberry on it. Can you pretend to eat it? Here's a blue piece of meat. Donkeys at the party. I'll give donkeys yellow keys.
That was really funny, There's a bunch of crumbs on there. Everybody, please go and like my most recently pinned post on my profile. It would mean a lot to me. I'm trying to win a competition, so if we could do that together, that'd be amazing. We only got 7 hours left until it ends, so let's get it. Guys, you better not be fighting. I'm vacuuming. You need to be nice to each other, or we will not go outside. You guys need to both stop. You don't have an autistic argument. You need to say real words. You guys sounded like the SpongeBob character when he's like the caveman. Like, what the fuck? Kids, they say they love each other, and they can't wait to see each other, but then when they do, they're so mean to each other. Thank you. Oh, didn't even help me vacuum? Here, come over on this side. Thank you so much.
Birthday party.
Look at him! We're gonna see some love. You guys better be nice. Everybody, please go. Odin, come here. Come here. Stay on. You need to stay on this side of me. Stay right here. Come on. Come over here. Yep. No, keep going this way. Stop looking at her. Millie, get over there. You're fine. Get over there. You guys can't be together. No. each other. Go on. Go. Okay. Hey, Millie, go sit on the couch so I can vacuum right there, please.
Ready?
Get on the couch, please, Millie. You're fine. You're gonna stay over here and help me vacuum.
Beautiful sand.
Ain't nobody happy up in here. I'm gonna end it and come back.